Namaskar. Today we will be talking about your inner personality, that you are friend, philosopher and guide of yourself. All this comes out of your inner personality. You start doing any work, then you may be observing that there is internal power in you who starts saying something. It is voiceless, but it starts impacting on you that you do this work, you don't do this work. That inner personality is the best friend, is the friend on whom you can rely upon, you can trust very well. And in general life people say that मेरी आत्मा नहीं कह रही है, मेरी आत्मा गवाह ही नहीं दे रही है कि मैं ऐसा काम करूं. What is this? This is totally your inner personality as a friend says, guides, and he works like your philosopher, your mentor also. When you feel that you are alone, knowing the fact that work which you are performing is right or wrong, take the help of this internal friend. When you are alone, not able to take the decision properly, close your eyes, call your internal friend, and he will guide you. His philosophy will reach to you. His guidance, hidden, unseen guidance will reach to you as a sensation in your brain. Sometimes it blinks in your mind, sometimes it comes as a storm in your mind, sometimes it comes as a bubblings items in your mind, and conveys the very clear message, unheard message, that better not to do this work. Don't go where you want to go. Don't talk rough the way you want to continue your talk. Hold on yourself. The activity which you are performing is not fair, is not good. And other way around, okay, you should go there. You should meet him. You should be there in the market. Both kind of support, internal support, your internal friend, he gives you. People say that I used to get the feel. What is that? That is the feel coming out of your internal friend, moreover from your soul. I am God-fearing person. I will not do this work. What is the meaning of this? What do you mean to say? What is the meaning you want to convey? यू आर गॉड फियरिंग मीन्स व्हाट? गॉड डंडा लेके खड़ा हुआ है इसलिए आप डरते हैं? नो, बट योर इंटरनल फ्रेंड सेज दैट डूइंग दिस वर्क I may lose my value, I may lose my professional strength, I may lose my values. Don't perform it, don't do it. Good people, positive mind people, they give a thought on this internal call, internal friends discussion, internal friends as a philosopher who is giving you the philosophy, good philosophy, strong philosophy, to do or not to do, to attempt or not to attempt these things. And these things are very much effective with the person, with the professional, with the individual when you are working in the organization, when you are moving out of the organization, when you are going out of your house, when you are coming in your house. Always these kind of the thoughts takes place. And other kind of people are there who don't listen. They ignore. They keep it aside. What is coming in the mind? It is out of fear. So ignore it. Forget it. Don't give any value. Think what external body is thinking. Think what external personality is saying and do it. It is not healthy in approach, and it creates the situation of confusion, misguidance, and most of the time it is seen that people misplace himself, herself, and later on when they woke up, then they have only regret in the hand. They have failureness in the hand. So treat yourself first friend, philosopher and guide. And what your internal personality says positively, accept it, do it, proceed it. Most of the time you will succeed in your mission, vision and goal. Thank you very much.